Good morning from Harwich International Port. We're heading over to the Netherlands today, so hopefully I'm going to be able to record enough of this so you guys know what to expect if you ever bring your bike to the port. So as we've just pulled into the passport control and everything, which is over there, we've been told that the bike's going towards the end, so we're waiting by the facilities entrance at the minute. Just over there, look. I think you can see our ferry in the distance at the back over there, but it's just unloading the people that have just come. So yeah, so far so good. So we've joined the queue. How are you feeling?
Good.
Excited?
Yeah.
Tired. It's been a long day so far. We left at 12 o'clock. It feels extremely weird being in the line when there's when you're on the bikes. Look at us two just stood here with the bikes when we're in the line of cars with the traffic. It's an odd feeling. So we're lane 1. It's all been quite plain sailing so far, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had to queue up with the traffic and then
Checked our passports.
yeah, check the passports, and then we didn't have to do any security checks. We
Yeah.
just rode straight through, and now we're just waiting to get on there. Go on, Bob, up you go. Go on, what those legs. You got it? It's not what you want first thing in the morning, is it? Just mind the bump. Oh, we're in the ship. Oh, cyclist dismount. Whoa. We've just got on the ferry, we've just got set up. When you come, you leave your bikes in this area, look, so you attach them to these fences. So there's quite a few other people with us as well.
Nobody tells you what to do, so
yeah, there's nobody guiding you or anything, so you just kind of have to figure it out for yourself.
Moving traffic on the car deck. Pas op voor rijdend verkeer op autodek.
Oh, it's a long walk up these stairs, but we've made it to deck 9.
There is elevators.
There is an elevator, but we chose not to use it. Ooh. Oh wow. So there's a map of the ship. So we're on the early ferry, but the The duty free doesn't seem to be open yet. I'm not sure if that's just because we're not at sea or if it's just really early. Oeh, let's keep going on.
Goedemorgen. Voor koffie, thee en snacks kunt u terecht bij ons.
I think we might potentially be at the highest point we can get to. There's a couple of decks up there, but they it says no entrance. So there's a couple of hours before, well, there's about an hour before we set sail. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to get some breakfast and then try and catch us sailing out of here on this deck. Yeah? So we've officially set sail. We're on the move. I'm going to do a little bit of exploring. See what I can find. So we found all the cabins. It's really quiet though. There doesn't seem to be many people in the cabins, does there? They're all being cleaned at the minute and there's a lot of work going on. So there's a lot of cabins. There's only really one floor of entertainment areas though. I mean, it's big enough just for the amount of time we're spending on it. And there's plenty of food available, which is, as you know from previous videos, is perfect for us. Have a look at that. Are you reading all the safety instructions?
Yeah, almost.
Hopefully, we won't need that on this cruise.
Just in case we do, we want to be that fast.
Yeah.
On the boat.
Women and children first, is that still a thing? Hopefully we won't find out. So that's us officially leaving Harwich behind over there. £17 for a muffin, a bagel, water and a peach iced tea. It's not bad actually. About 4 hours in now, almost 4 hours should I say. The restaurant's quite busy at the minute, so we're gonna go get some food in a bit once the queues have died down. I can't do much filming inside because there's loads of kids about, so I'm trying to pick up little bits where I can, just to kind of give you an idea of what it's like on board. But someone's flagging a bit, she's very tired. Yeah.
It's alright, it's better now that we're outside.
Yeah, we've come outside because the aircon's on inside and someone's very cold.
No,
But outside the sun's shining and the wind must be on the other side of the ship.
Yeah.
So it's quite nice out here. So there are 2 more decks up there, but I have no idea how we get up to them. I found a door, but it says private personnel only. I'm going to try and find a way in, but I don't think I'll be able to. Fancy a bit of basketball or football? I promise, it is actually a lot warmer than it looks. I think that deck is for the staff. That's why we're not allowed up there, which is a shame because it'd have been a nice view from up there. I know travelling by ferry is a lot longer than going on a plane, but I just think this is more fun. There's so much to do on board. It's really cool. I'm really enjoying it anyway. I know it's not for everybody, but it's just relaxing. And I promise, it's not that cold. She looks like she's off on an Arctic exploration.
What's it?
I'm not 100% how green the travel is though. Can somebody tell me in the comments as well what this is for? I think it's for washing the windows down there from the outside. There's quite a lot of traffic out there today. I'll tell you what though as well, it's a scorcher at the minute. It's such a nice day. So we decided on pizza for lunch, £19.50 for this and 2 drinks. Looks quite good to be honest. So we're just pulling into the Hook of Holland now. I think we've got about 30 minutes until we actually land at port. Yeah, we're getting excited now. I haven't been on a ferry since my under 10s football team went to Germany on a coach, but I can tell you I've really enjoyed this. It's been good fun, hasn't it? Now we've just got a bike for 8 days. I hope I've given you enough sort of insight as to what it's like on board. Like I say, with there being loads of children around, I've not been able to do much filming. But yeah, first time on a ferry in, like I say, 15 years, I've really enjoyed it. Apart from Megan being really cold. Although she's sat outside now and it's boiling again. So yeah, it's all been really good fun. Have you seen a porpoise yet? We definitely haven't.
The orange leaf tents are situated at the back of the ship. Alle andere motoristen en passagiers met een voertuig op
And just like that, we're in the Netherlands. That was quite easy, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. It was
Yeah.
just a little bit like not very good for maneuvering bicycles.
Yeah, it was quite tight moving the cars through, but it didn't help that a lady had fallen over as well and done some damage to her leg. But anyway, we're here now, so now ready for the adventure. Thank you very much for watching this one. It's easy, try it yourselves. We'll see you soon.
Bye.